I'm going to show you 5 different ways in which you can create borders in Google Doc. Now in Google Docs, there is an option under one of the menus where it says borders and lines, but unfortunately it is grayed out and that functionality is not yet live. So these are the alternatives by which you can actually create. The first that I'm going to show you is how you can create a border using a table. The second option that I'm going to show you is how you can do it by drawing it. The third option that I'm going to show you is by using a transparent image, and the fourth and the fifth one that I'm going to show you is how you can actually create a Christmas border or you can create a decorative border. Now you can feel free to jump into any of these sections which might be relevant for your case. Without much ado, let's jump into the video by creating the borders for Google Docs. This is Sonit from Techitwickle. So I am into Google and here I see the dots on the right hand side. I click that and I go to Docs. So I click Docs and I land up into Google Docs. I select my first as a blank and for here I give it a name as a create borders. Okay, so this is the name of the docs. Now you see the cursor that is blinking. So I want the margins to decrease across the page on 4 sides. So how would I achieve that? So the way I can do it is I go to File and Page Setup, and here are the margins that I need to increase or decrease. So let me put it as 0.5 across all the areas, top, bottom, left and right. Okay, so let me make it 0.5 here, and also for the right I make it as 0.5. Now you can see the orientation here, so you might want it as portrait or landscape. Okay, so you have both these options. Now for here I want it as portrait. Now I go down here to the page color, and if I do not want it as white, I can go ahead and change it to any color here, or I can change it to any custom color as well. So for this purpose, let me choose a color from here and I press OK and then another OK. Now you can see the page color comes up here as this. Okay, so now the next step is I go to Insert, and from here I select a table, and this table would be a 1-by-1 table that I will insert here. Yes, so now the way I would want is I would drag it across the entire page, or I'll pull it down, okay, so that it covers the entire page. But just bear in mind that here the margins were 0.5 points. Okay, so that's how the page would be, and you can see the margin is now beautifully set up on the page, and this looks like a border that is there. So these are the colors that you would want to change. So you can go ahead and change the color to any color you would want. So now here on the inside I select this as the fill color, as the blue. Okay, so now it gets added here if you would want, and you can also not include that as well. Now the next option here is the border color. So if you select that, and you can go ahead and change to any color you want from black. So I would still want it to be black here. The next you have is the width. So this is the border width. So you can make it 0, or you can have it 1, or increase it to any options that you would want to make it. And the next that I would want to show you here is on this area, on the blue area, I do a right click and then I go to table properties, and this is the place where you actually see the table borders. So if I click this, I can make it as 0. So if I give it 0, so then what happens is across all the 4 areas that line goes away, so the border goes away, and you have a beautiful gray border there on the page. Now for adding a border in Google Docs by drawing it, the way I would do it is I go to Insert here, and from here I go to Drawing and I click on New. So here another window pops up. So what I would do here is I would add a shape here. So a shape would be a rectangle from here. So I click a rectangle and I drag it across in this area. And once I am done, let me click on save and close. What happens is this comes up on the page like this. Now you can drag this to fill up your entire area of your page, like what I am doing here. Yes, like this. And then from here, this is how it looks. Yes. So now here, these are the border options that you see. So this is the border color, the weight, and the dash. So I want to change the color of the border from black to different color. So if I make it as red, so this is how it looks, and you can go ahead and change any color. And as well, you can also change the width of these lines. So you can add the thickness or you can decrease it as well. And if you want it have a dash appearance, you can go ahead and have it like you see here. Now right at the bottom you find the edit here. So this is the edit. If I click this, I again go back to that rectangle shape that I had, and you can go ahead and modify this and then save and close to have that updated in case you would want to have it. Now for the third option, where I want to add a transparent image, I click on insert, and then from here I go to image, and from image I select search the web. Now from here I actually type in a border design PNG. So what happens, PNG is the transparent file, so it gives me the border designs as I would want it to have. So if I would want to select this as a border, I can select any one. So if I would want to select this and then click on insert, the border gets added. So the PNG file gets added on the page like this. So you can select that, click that and drag it across in the page, and there you go, you have the border using a transparent image like this. Now again for the fourth option, I click on insert image and I again go to search the web, and from here I actually remove this and I type here Christmas border PNGs, and it actually gives us lots of different options related to Christmas. So if I click that, you can see there are many different designs that actually pop up, and yes, you can add them on your page. So if I select this and insert it, you can see how it actually comes up on the page. But here, as you can see, this is small and it doesn't fill up your entire page. So how would you do it? So if I go and click on those three dots and on size and rotation, and if I would want to increase the width or height, so it actually will get distorted. So let me just increase and show you. Yes, so this is how it becomes. So the only option how you can change it is go to files and go to page setup, and from here from portrait change it to landscape mode and click on OK. Now if you drag this across on your page, you can see that it beautifully sets up on your page. So this is how you can add a Christmas border to your page. Now for the fifth option, where I want to add a decorative border on the Google Docs, so what I do is from insert image and search the web, I go here and I add here decorative border PNG. Yes, so that's the one that you would want to put here and press enter. So as soon as you do it, you would find many different PNGs are shown up here. So I can go ahead and add any image that I would want to add on my page. So let me select this one as the image, and if I click insert, it gets added on the page. And as usual, if you drag it and if you place it properly on the page, it will get added here. So in case you liked my video, please do not forget to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel for getting more such videos in the upcoming weeks. So till the next time, bye bye.